If your sewing skills are as rubbish as mine and your camp blanket isn't looking as mighty fine as you'd like to compared to others that you see on social media, and you've tried your best like mine, maybe you've sampled glue and over time they have fallen off, you've tried on the iron-on sticking, again over time that's fallen off, and your blanket just isn't what you want it to be, I have a game changer for you. Your blanket isn't gonna look as smart as my fellow scout leader Scott. I borrowed his blanket tonight, but it has the same thing. All right, so with a camp blanket, okay, it's meant to be wool, meant to keep you nice and warm, sat around the campfire or over your sleeping bag at night. But the emphasis on these bad boys, these badges, are for memories. All right, so Akela explained to me many years ago, he says it's a bit like a fridge magnet. You go on holiday, you buy a magnet. Oh, this one is of the holiday. Oh, this one is the other holiday we went to when we went to France and Disneyland or whatever. You don't carry those magnets around with you, but kind of every now and then you open the fridge door, get the milk out and you remember. You don't always look at those magnets and memorize those holidays and stuff. And he said to me, this is what blanket badges. It's those memories. So when you pick up this, you remember, oh, I remember that camp. Oh, I got this when I was a scout and I did my 6 weeks challenge. Oh, this one, City of York. We did a camp at City of York. This one, oh yeah, this is from the Jamboree and we did some badge swapping. So it's those memories, all right? So here's the hack. Here's the little bit that's a game changer for you if you're really bad at sewing like me. This isn't gonna be a normal camp blanket, all right? This isn't a blanket. It's not gonna keep you warm at all. But it is a bit like your kitchen fridge. You're going to put those badges on it. You're going to put it on display, maybe at the back of your bedroom wall or in the scout hall like I am here now. And you put those badges on and every time you look up, you look at that and you think, oh yeah, I remember that camp. Oh yeah, I remember when we visited on the trip or whatever. So it's not like a camp blanket as such. But check this out. This is going to be a mobile badge collection, all right? I got sent this idea from a lady and I am so sorry I've lost your email, but she sent to me months ago, probably a year ago, and said, Mark, have you ever thought about doing this? Because I know you moan about your sewing. Get a Velcro Tactical Display Board and check this out. Da, 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 da. Ready? Here we go. I've started adding some badges to it. All right, so it's massive. Well, you can get them in all different sizes. And now, on this side, it's the soft, smoothy one. And then with your badges, you put the hooks on Velcro. All right, so what I did is I got the badges. I added Velcro to the back of my badges. And now, you can get badges that already have Velcro on them, but if you get a badge that's a sew-on badge like this Brownsea Island one, you see that one? Add on the hook of the Velcro and there we are. How cool is that? You just add your Velcro to your badges and you've instantly got a collection of your badges. All right, like I say, it's not a camp blanket. You can't sit around the campfire at all. But you know, you can hook it up in your tent. Maybe make a little stand outside your tent, like a display, and put it on there, show off those badges. Or if you've got a bedroom or a shed like me, put it up on display. So there you go, scout leaders. A hack if you're really bad at sewing.